This video is going to walk you through creating database very easy and fast. Don't forget, for this course, we are using the MySQL environment. Now, MySQL is one of the scripting environment used in writing SQL query command used for management of structured data. Now, when we say structured data, it simply means data in rows and columns already. Now, and all these MySQL are used for relational data. Relational data, what do you mean by that? Meaning it is used for storing data that are related. For instance, I have a school. Another person also have a school. Because my own is a school and the other person too is a school doesn't mean we are going to store their data together. No, because the way we operate in my own school might be slightly different from the way they operate in their own school. So I have to have a database that keeps my own record of my school because everything in my school are related to each other. So to create database here, we are going to be looking at two ways. We've opened the MySQL environment. So the first thing we are going to do is to come to this environment, see where my cursor is, the scripting environment. We can create the database here by writing some query commands to do that. So we are going to be using one of the DDL commands to do that, which is create. So I say create database, earlycode, then I put the semicolon, then I use this icon to run it. You see, I have an output message here, ticked that everything has been successful. Now to activate our database, how do we do it? Because we have plenty database. If we are going to operate on some records, we have to choose the necessary or the right database. So to do that, we use the keyword use. So I say use early code, then I put the semicolon. I also use this icon to execute it. At this point, the database has been activated. So any other manipulations you want to do will be active on the data or tables inside this word database called early code. But if you figure out in the list of database here, it's not showing. So what do you have to do? You have to use this icon to refresh. So once you refresh, you see we have our database, but the table section is empty. Why? Because we don't have any records here. So let's say we don't need the database again. And the record and everything, what do? We can drop it. So how do we drop it? Say drop database early code. Then we'll put this icon, then we'll run it. You can see the database has disappeared from the list of database at this angle. Okay, so we've successfully dropped the database. So apart from writing this query command, there's other way we can create and drop the database by using the drag and drop menu or the drag and drop section. So we come to this environment, right click, then you will see some icon, some options. Click on this one that says create schemas. You will see a dialog box where they put the name of the database. So we say early code. Then over here you have the apply button. You click on the apply button. It will give you or pops out and another dialog box for you to review what the operation you just performed. So you see, it says we have the create schema early code. So that means if we use this same code on that scripting environment, it will still create the database for what? For us. So I click on apply and finish. Then to drop, you go back to that same panel here. You right click on the database. You see some options again. Then look for this one that says drop schema. Then you drop now. Very easy. So to create database and everything is very easy. We see again in our next video.